Hi, this is Engineer Spock from engineerspock.com, and in this section you're going to learn the theoretical basics related to functional programming. By the way, sometimes I'll shorten functional programming to FP. And yes, I know that theory is dry and not as interesting as practical material, but believe me, tons of practical cases are waiting for you starting from the second section. I did my best to make this section short and at the same time make it quite comprehensive. In this section, you'll learn what programming paradigms exist. What is functional programming? The importance of functions in functional programming. And the benefits of functional programming, or in other words, why we need to understand FP-related concepts. Let's start from talking about programming paradigms in the next lecture.